Important qualities to be possessed by a speaker. Confidence. Confidence comes if you have a subject matter expert, and you have to be if you're making such a presentation. Sincerity. There is a sincere attempt by speech to deliver to the audience what you want to convey, and hence that should be one of the important criteria for a speaker. Thoroughness. I'm well prepared. I know where to start, where to end because I've practiced enough. Friendliness. After all, it's a one-to-one interaction in one sense of the word. So friendliness must show, otherwise people cannot relate. Handling questions. After a speech, normally in situations, one would allow questions to be asked if one is making a presentation on a particular topic. The idea is if there are any doubts which have arisen because of the speech made, or people want to know something more, it can be clarified. We must first understand the question, hence listening is very important. In case we've not understood the question, we can ask another question to clarify the same. The speaker must be sure that the audience knows what question he is answering. So if there are a series of queries within a question, we'll take one by one and connect the whole thing, and the answer will be wholesome at the end of it. He should make his answers direct and understandable. So if a question is being asked, give a direct answer. Please do not give roundabout answers, the person may not understand. He should ensure that the listener understands his answer. If the speaker doesn't know the answer, please tell the audience that you don't know and you will come back. There's nothing wrong with it. He should treat people who ask questions with respect. That must come through. If a person asks a question, one should not treat him as a person who is ignorant. Every question is important. Hence, in speeches we do say, good question, let me answer that for you. It assures the person and helps the person also understand. The person will relate and will listen. Outlines for an important and informative speech. Introduction. This is to get the initial attention of the public. Body, which is the longest, where the entire structure comes, the main idea is put, then the sub-ideas are discussed, and then the entire thing is woven, and there is finally the conclusion, where the main ideas are restated for retention. A slide on debate speech, since that is also done very often in various forums, in cultural events and so on. Some important terms that are used just for understanding. Proposition. What is the debate all about? Affirmative. The for arguments. So what is going to be said in the affirmative? Negative. Against the topic. Argument. The lines itself. Evidence, facts which support the argument. Brief. A brief on the topic itself. Refutation. We will be refuting whatever a person has said, and that is called a rebuttal speech. A constructive speech talks about the topic, either for or against. An initial set of arguments given are part of the constructive speech with evidence and facts. Then we have the rebuttal speech, which is a refutation of whatever has been said before, and that's how the debate goes on until it is concluded through a mediator. So today's topic was on public speaking. I hope with whatever you have heard, you'll be able to plan next time you make a public speech. Thank you.